In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated in Windows 11. Now, you sometimes get a pop-up message where it says that this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated, and after this happens, this ribbon up here, this red ribbon, is what you get, and you cannot do anything inside any Microsoft Office application. Now, when this happens, you have to either use the free Microsoft 365 at the Microsoft365.com website or activate Office. So in order to activate Office, you click on Activate up here, and then you can either start your free trial or buy Microsoft Office. Or if you already have a product key, you simply click over here and then enter the product key. Now, if you do not want to buy it or you don't have the product key already, you can, of course, start a free trial, as I said, or use Microsoft 365 for free forever by pressing over here where it says use free at Microsoft365.com. You're gonna be taken to their website and asked to put in your Microsoft password, and once you do that, you can start using Microsoft Office 365 for free forever.